What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Today is just going to be straight up just getting the Skyline out for a drive. We haven't drove the Skyline since the last video, which was back in January, February, about 3 months ago. But now you can see the weather's back. Praise be to the Almighty. Do a bit of testing here and there, and it's a beautiful day. Why not just let it out, blow the cobwebs out, and then from there, if it's good to go, we'll take it on a drag strip next week. But for now, let's get it out the garage. But give me a minute, I'm just going to take all the stuff off the car, take the cover off and start it up. We have had to get a new battery for the car because from the last video, the battery was dead because it's been parked up for so long. So here's the new battery. Are we done? Alright, let's bring her out. Just check all the fluids as usual. It's going good. There we go. Let's not lose the biting point. I think we're gonna make it. So I'm caught up a tank of petrol left. But yeah, boy am I glad to see her starting up. I'm so glad. Now that the battery is sorted, we can pump up the tyres. It's a bit low. Well, we're on the road now. Yeah. Oh, wrong indicators. Boy, does it feel good. So we need to get to a shower garage first before we can have a bit of fun in this car and blow the cobwebs. Oh! Hey, Macca Packa! Wow, nobody's in V-Power? It says right there, V-Power. 178. That is so expensive, 178. I'll put in 40 quid. It's so expensive these days. Alright, 40 quid, you get 22 litres. 22 litres of 40 quid. That is not a lot. Sometimes it tempts me to sell this car just to get an electric car, but I don't think that's ever going to happen. I love Mentos. Yeah, number 6, please. Okay, here you go. Thank you very much, and you have a great day, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, why is it 250? Say cheers to that. I don't even know if it's road legal. See, our one's not road legal. That's why we can't ride it. Bismillah. Oh. Wow, that is sick. Oh, there's so many cars. Oh. That M3. It's not connected. The police will be like, yo, his horn ain't working. If we ever see him, pull him over. Must be the Porsche behind me. Oh, hold on, Johnson. Oh, jeez. I honestly didn't know that was on. I could fully link it all if I'd like to. The Skyline loves it, man. It loves the losing grip. Oh, that's nice, that is. We are back in the HQ now. After that, a moderate drive for the Skyline. It wasn't nothing too crazy. Parky up for the day.
Why are you crying?
I think that should be it. So she's running really good, to be honest. Voila, she ran good. That's very good news, that is. We can always change our mind and taking the Sora instead. It is running fine, there's no issues, just a cam cover gasket, changing the coolant, the water, and she should be good to go. So whether I could take the Sora or the Skyline, that's a bit of the debate. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bit of a delay, but we are going to get there. But hopefully when a few more cars are sold, we can just work on the project cars, which is the Skyline, the Sora, and a few of the special ones like this one here and the one down there and one over there. But stay tuned. We appreciate all the support on the channel. But this summer we are going to do a lot of exciting things, so stay tuned. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.